bring the thing around to the front. And the last shall be first.
I wonder if I can get a picture of it. You know what? They wanted me to send to a self-contained.
What you see?
I mean, that's my
Nothing.
Oh. They wanted me to send like, look at other schools, and I'm like, no. I said, this is where I want Abe to go. This is where his brothers are. This is where he's been coming with us to see programs. This is where our kids' friends go.
They're almost over.
Having fun.
Yeah, good.
And so, and then Heather,
Okay. Oh, here comes the reversal.
Somebody had come up and said, "How are things going with Dave?" Nothing. We got out of school without somebody with them, and just basically repeated everything that that Brooks had talked about, and no name tag, nothing like that. Okay, now you can take a picture of them. A day or two after that, this Chris here. Take a picture of our I listened to that like 4 times. And then I called Mark and I said, Mark? Yeah. I called Mark and I said, when you get home, I want you to listen to this. I think she's threatening us. So he got home and that night he wrote a really nice, diplomatic letter saying this is a threat. And she called back and heard by the wrong person and apologized.
Yeah, I will. Oh, I'm going to
So, you know, I've got to learn not to make such a big
I'm going to turn around.
He's driving, you know, facing back.
Well, you can do that. It's
Most of these cars are probably in last 20 years.
3 years old. A real diesel locomotive.
And then I went to the center, so it was the first time in the center. And it was the Cat in the Hat one. And working on it, especially back then.
Hey.
And nothing modified for him.
What do you need? Why? Tanner wants you for something.
Oh, Tanner wants me. When we get back there, maybe I can put him then in one of the cars and you can get a picture of.
Yeah, let's do that because I'm thinking I should get pictures.
Yeah.
I'm going to check it out.
Feel free.
I'm going to remind the person.
Oh, hi. Do you see my hand waving? You see it? Take a picture.
No!
Push right there and you'll take a picture. Right there. This thing. Oh, you're going to take a picture of you? Of your shoes?
Anybody know what a gauge is? A railroad gauge? The gauge is a train.
There, no. Now go here. No.
It's the distance between the rails and the track. Now we're a 1-foot gauge, which essentially means that we're,
Yeah, that's a lot.
Yeah, just
4 feet, 8.5 inches, so all the traffic is here.
Great stuff.
steel water
That's the distance between the railheads.
4 feet, 8.5 inches. And this is 1 foot.
Bennett's going to go over and do service hours for scouts over at the pet store.
Anybody know what that's called?
And I'm here.
What that arrangement is called? It's called a watt. If you look at it from the top down, that's exactly what it looks like, a watt. What it allows us to do is turn the engine. Okay? If you notice now, the engine is facing the opposite direction. It allows us to run around the train and facing in the direction we want to go.
sleepovers.
Especially important for the steam engine. The other thing is up at the station.
The sleepover phenomenon is quite
Turntable. They affect the same thing in one small place.
find somebody.
Okay? The question is if we ever had what's called the cornfield meet. And yes, we have. The cornfield meet is a two-track trains meet going out this direction. Well, like I said, nobody's ever been hurt here. But if sometimes somebody doesn't pay attention to the orders they're given, and they go when they shouldn't go, and that's kind of what happens at the cornfield meet. We travel slow enough just to avoid any problem. Yeah, if we have one train running, which we do every Sunday, we have at least two. We will notice in two places between here and the station, there are sidings, passing sidings. That allows us to pass trains going the opposite direction. One was at Mohan, the other was at Plums. Any more?
I fell off the train.
You fell off a train?
Yeah, she's just like, whoa.
Wow, that sounds pretty spectacular.
Dad, this was her.
Now you can tell everybody you fell off a train.
I'm dangerous.
You're just like,
How did you do that?
I was trying to climb up again and I was...
She lost her
Step
balance.
yeah.
What kind of gymnastics place is it?
It's something.
There's the Y, where he backs up, and then turns around.
All right, everybody, we're going to head back. Keep arms inside the train.
And yourself.
And no rocking the car.
Mom. And
Yeah, or we'll have one of those infamous train wrecks.
you fell off. The kids didn't fall off. You were the one who fell off.
Yep.
Oh, you're not picking
Don't pull on the leg.
Okay, we're moving. Looks like each little train has its own little brake. The wheel there. In case you have a runaway train. Don't want that. There's the Y.
That's where they turn.
Here we're coming into the bridge. There's an old trestle that they must put on the side.